Guys, we got a 2018 Dodge Durango 392 HEMI. Nice. It's got a little lift kit on it. It's getting bigger wheels, as you guys can see, so it's got a higher stance. Really nice car. Factory muffler, catalytic converters there and there. Then he had a CORSA kit all the way back, but it was way too quiet for him. So we took the mids out of the CORSA. We'll show them to you guys in a second. So we took them out, put two pieces of 2.5-inch pipe in their place. Got the CORSA X pipe. They got the valves deleted there and there. And then his hangers broke there on the CORSA kit. So CORSA, if you're looking, fix the hanger issue here, because they just pulled them right out of the hanger. And we put them two new hangers in its place there and there. And left the resonators on it from CORSA because so it don't drone. CORSA is really good about not droning, but sounding crazy outside. So there's the CORSA. It's a $2,000 kit. So there it is. That's what it looks like after. And there's the two CORSA mid mufflers that are on it. As you guys can see, they're resonated right there. We took them off. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, make sure you like, comment, and hit that subscribe button. That's better. Sound decibels. Go ahead. Again. So hit 118 right with the first rev. Again. Durango SRT. Sounds really nice. Let you guys hear on the inside. Dodge SRT. CORSA Extreme, rears only. Other than that, everything else is deleted. Sounds sick, heavy, man. Enjoy, guys.